everyone, I've had a lot of requests for another embossing video, so here goes. I'm working on a birthday card right now, and what I've done is I've selected this quote box from Graphically Speaking, and inside of it I'm putting the happy birthday from Doodle Type. And the important thing when you're embossing is if you want to use the deboss side, which I'll show you in a little bit, you need to flip your image. So happy birthday is now flipped, so it will be facing the right way when I go to cut. Okay, we'll move over here. This is my embossing mat, and all I've done is I've taken an existing Cricut mat and I've added my latex mat to the top of it. This is the 10 Second Studios metal sheets, and these work awesome. They're silver on one side and then colored on another. These work awesome with the look I'm going to show you. In order to emboss on this, I'm going to go colored side down. I take my adhesive and I just add a little bit to each corner. And then I'm going to add it to my mat. And I'm going to put it into the machine. This is the embossing tip, and it just goes where your blade would normally go. So I'm going to add that. I like to keep my pressure all the way up, which it already is, which is on max. And then I'm going to cut that. I gotta exchange my cartridge. And there it goes. As you can see, it's slow moving, so I'm going to stop here and I'll come back to you when it's done. Okay, as you can tell, this is just now finishing up. Okay, I'm going to unload my paper. As you can see, I got a nice impression. Depending on the material you're using, I didn't use multi-cut, I just did it the once, and I got a very nice impression. Then I just have these old junky scissors that I don't really care about anymore. There's no way you could cut these metal sheets in your Cricut. It would definitely ruin your blade. So I just take them and I cut around with my scissors. Alright, I cut out my whole title, and then I'm taking a paper stump. This is 10 Second Studio as well, and I just am cleaning up my design. If you run around the piece on the acrylic mat, which again is 10 Second Studios, you can get a better finished image, and when you go to sand it, it just pops more. So I've got my burnishing block, and watch how it removes just that top surface when you sand, so it's really gonna pop. I'm supposed to be on my scrap paper here because I don't want to ruin my mat. So you can see, because this is the deboss side and it's raised, after you sand it, the silver comes through. Now I'm just going to finish up my card. I have some basic gray paper. I'm going to glue that to my card. Oh, I want to know which way's up. Adding that, and this is just a sticker from Basic Gray as well that I trimmed down. And there. And my favorite adhesive to use with these is, I'm not sure what it's called, tacky tape or something like that, but this stuff sticks to everything. So I'm just going to cut some little pieces, and I'm just going to give you an idea of how this works because it's double-sided. Once you put it down though, do know it is never coming back up. I'm not going to remove that part because I don't want to put all 4 corners on. But there is my nephew's happy birthday card. It's all finished. And you can visit us online, www.chamiscreations.com. And everything that I used for this video was part of 10 Second Studio. And they're online as well. You can get more information on my blog. Thank you.